Our PowerPoint slide library will give your firm the tools to manage the content, the branding, and the compliance across all your PowerPoint presentations. Users can access a library of presentations and either create from existing or select to create a new version. Choose a presentation, and that will pre-populate the base slides. I can now browse a library of pre-prepared slides to tailor my presentation. Slides can either be editable or they can be locked so they can't be changed by users, which is great for fun performance slides or for disclaimers. If I click on a magnifying glass, I can see a larger version of the slide and also read a description and other metadata. All of this content is searchable, making it quick and easy to find specific slides. To select a slide, simply click on the image. It appears in the panel below. You can keep all your slides in categories, making it easy for users to find the content that they want. If I select a few more slides, you can see they appear in the panel below. I can then rearrange the order by dragging and dropping them. Once you're happy, you can insert the slides into your presentation. If I want to, I could also change the design. If I click on the icon, choose a different color scheme, that will automatically update all the slides in my presentation. Alternatively, I could create a presentation from an existing version, which will allow me to show you some of the other features available, such as the chart library and the image library. If I select this slide here, I can insert a chart from the library or graphs. I can choose to have this pie chart that inserts into my presentation, including the underlying data, so I can update the content to update the chart. Alternatively, I come into Excel, I can create a new chart or graph and use our chart styling tools to ensure the correct color scheme and style is used for my chart. Okay, I'm happy with this color theme. I can then go back into PowerPoint and choose to insert a chart from Excel. And that's popped into my presentation. The same process applies for tables. I can insert a blank table and just choose a number of rows and columns, which adds a correctly branded table into my slide, including the correct formatted text. So if I delete this table, I can go into Excel, highlight some content, and then insert that into my chart by selecting Insert Table from Excel. There's also a range of tools available for styling content and text. Let's add some text in here and use the predefined styles. Select either titles or headings, body text and bullets, or quotation text. That's automatically styled for me. I can go to my color palette and just choose from our own corporate colors. I can also browse a library of images. Select the image that I require, and that pops into my presentation. And let me show you how you can update slides in the library. If I go to this disclaimer slide, see it's got the incorrect regulator. It should be the Financial Conduct Authority. Once I've updated the content, I can choose to upload this to the library and replace the version that's there. I can also lock the slide so it can't be edited by other users. When I click OK, it's now going to automatically update every single presentation that uses this slide. If I go to an old presentation that I saved locally, it can also detect that the slide's been updated. You can see new version available, and when I click on update, it will pull through the latest compliant version.